Let me introduce how to manage the N2 unit chair. First, let's go over the cleaning method for the cuspidor. Make sure to turn off the main power before starting. Take the spittoon bowl off to prevent leaks from malfunction. Lift up the spittoon bowl not to get stuck the nozzle and remove the bowl with the filter from the shelf. Use a brush or similar tool to thoroughly clean the cuspidor under running water to remove any debris. Likewise, the filter and cover also should have been cleaned using the brush. Dry and put them back on the shelf not to get stuck the nozzle likewise. Next is the cleaning of the suction filter. In case that the suction isn't operating, it's difficult to remove the filter due to pressure, so please turn off the device and pull the filter forward to remove. Use a brush in running water to smoothly clean the suction filter not to be damaged. Never use any chemical fluid. Put the suction filter back so that the cover O-ring should be seated inside the housing not to get stuck. Suction hose cleaning. To prevent secondary infection from pathogens such as viruses, the suction hose is cleaned once a week using the following suction cleaner. First, prepare 1 cup of cleaner solution and 2 cups of cold water for cleaning respectively. After suctioning the cleaner solution first, by operating the suction, wash the hose by inhaling about 2 cups of water in turn. How to manage suction lever. The suction lever recommends applying Vaseline once a week to prevent foreign substances from hardening the lever. Off the main power. Remove the suction lever the other way around by pushing with your finger. Apply Vaseline evenly to the surface of each suction lever, along with the O-ring. Position the lever with the direction of closing facing up, then push it by hand and fasten it to the end. How to manage the nozzle of 3-way syringe. To sterilize the nozzle, press the ring around the syringe nozzle with your finger and pull the nozzle forward to separate it. If the tip of the syringe nozzle is clogged with foreign substances, use a tool such as a file to remove them. To connect the nozzle, press the front ring of the syringe by finger first and push the nozzle in through and release if it's fastened. How to disinfect water lines for instruments. Before removing the water bottle, place the water bottle toggle switch off and verify the air pressure has dropped to 0. After that, turn the bottle counterclockwise to separate it downward. Fill 2 liters of hydrogen peroxide 3 or 6% in and recombine. Switch each of the toggle levers to on for water bottle and to bottle for water supply. Make sure the gauge is pointed to around 2 bar. Take care as higher than 3 bar may leak or blown the bottle. Place the dedicated cover for the sanitation on the spittoon bowl, and when the sanitation toggle switch on located on the right side of the assist table is on, the cup LED is turned into mint and is ready. At this time, the chair is positioned to LP automatically, and the emergency icon shows on the display to prevent malfunction. Pull the doctor table towards the chair as much as possible, then separate the scaler, low and high handpiece from each hose. Put each of instruments in each holder of the dedicated cover, and press the cup button on the assist table to activate the water sanitation function. Then, the cup LED flashes, and the disinfectant is released through each handpiece tubing for 8 seconds, starting with the cup for a total of 40 seconds. For syringe, hold the syringes in both holders by hands so that the water button is pressed well, and keep this status for 10 seconds that the disinfectant is drained out enough. If you need to stop midway, press the drain button on the assist table to pause the process. When the cup LED stops flickering, switch the toggle levers on the bottle to off and city, respectively, and put each instrument back on the table. Turn the sanitation toggle switch off on the assist table and check if the cup LED turns into blue or pink. It needs to be maintained so that the cleaning solution can work for about 12 hours. After 12 hours or the next morning, perform rinsing to remove any remaining cleaning solution from the water line. Fill a new container with approximately 1 liter of distilled water. In the same way to the waterline sanitation, proceed the rinsing 2 to 3 times enough. After sanitation or rinsing process, make sure to turn off the sanitation toggle switch. How to manage the upholstery surface. The leathers are subject to be contaminated with the patient's clothing or hair dye, so wipe it using the neutral detergent or leather cleaner thoroughly. How to manage outer cover case. Wipe off exterior cases such as chairs, doctor tables, and lights, using non-alcoholic neutral detergent, and finish with dry cloth. How to manage the handle of light. Wipe the LED light handles frequently. If sterilization is required, press the handle button to remove it downward, sterilize it, and secure it by pushing up. Thank you for watching through.